Hi and welcome to the Coffee Direct Kitchen. Today I'm going to be showing you how to make a rum coffee. So for all you rum lovers out there, get your favourite dark rum out of the cupboard or spiced rum, whichever you prefer, and get it ready and set up with the other ingredients and prepare to make something special. Today I'm going to be using Coffee Direct's blend of Swiss Water Decaffeinated. This is our most popular decaffeinated coffee with full flavour and full body without the caffeine. It's a dark roast suitable for all brewing methods. We have hundreds of varieties to choose from on our website, so head over to coffeedirect.co.uk and pick out your favourite blends. Okay, so to run you through the ingredients you will need to create this recipe, you will need 2 tablespoons of your favourite ground coffee, 2 tablespoons of butter, you will need 30 grams of brown sugar, 30 ml of your favourite dark rum, 1 teaspoon of cinnamon powder, half a teaspoon of ground nutmeg, and half a teaspoon of ground ginger. Okay, you will also need 125 ml of boiling water, and you can use whipping cream as an optional extra for the topping. You'll also need a cafetiere. I'm using a single person cafetiere. If you're making for 2 or more, just adjust accordingly. And you'll need a mug or a heat-proof glass. Okay, so to start the recipe, you need to take your butter, again it's 2 tablespoons of butter, add the sugar, and that's 30 grams of brown sugar, add your 1 teaspoon of cinnamon powder, add your half a teaspoon of ground nutmeg, and add your half a teaspoon of ground ginger. So there's a lot of herbs and spices going in here, so it should have a really nice aroma to it at the end. And then you're going to want to mix that all together well with a spoon. Because it's butter, it is going to be a little bit tough to mix, but just persevere until it's all nicely thoroughly muddled together. Okay, so this is nearly mixed together now. It is easier for you if you leave your butter out at room temperature, just so it's not quite so stiff from the fridge to mix up. Once it's thoroughly mixed together, you're going to want to replace your bowl in the fridge for about 15 to 20 minutes, just so it can start to thicken and set together. Okay, so that's ready to go. So I'm just going to pop that in the fridge in a moment, and then we're going to come back to the coffee part. Now your butter is setting in the fridge, you need to empty your coffee grounds into your cafetiere. It's 2 tablespoons of ground coffee. Then add your 125 ml of boiling water in. Replace the lid and leave it to rest for 3 to 4 minutes. Okay, so once your butter's been in the fridge for about 15 minutes, take it out, and then you're going to want to put it into the bottom of your heat-proof glass or mug. And it should be a nice dark colour now with all those herbs and spices in there as well. Okay, so the next step is to pour the dark rum, it's 30 ml of dark rum, over the top of the butter. And then the coffee should be ready by this point. So push the plunger down. And then pour over the top. And you should see the butter melting as this happens. And then mix it up thoroughly. You've already added the brown sugar in, so you probably don't need any extra sweetener or sugar at this point. And you should be able to feel the butter disappearing beneath the spoon as you stir. It should be a really nice, dark, rich colour. And then when you can feel all the butter's dissolved, you can then add your whipped cream to the top if you'd like to. And this does smell amazing. It's got all the spices, the dark rum muddled in there. It's a particularly indulgent drink. Something to definitely impress your friends and family with. Okay, so when you're happy with the topping, it's either ready to serve, or for that final touch, feel free to add some grated nutmeg. And there you go. So that's your rum coffee. It's ready to enjoy. I hope it's not too complicated and I hope you give it a go at home. If you do, please do let us know and tag us on social media, send us your photos, we'd love to see them. Head over to coffeedirect.co.uk to have a look at all of the blends we have on offer and get some ingredients ready to make your coffees. Thanks very much. See you soon.